Hey, have you ever noticed the power that a simple phrase can have? Like, when you say something that makes her heart race, brings out that shy smile, or even creates a memory she'll keep forever, something truly special. Well, words have this amazing power. When you choose the right words, they can build a strong connection, bring confidence, and who knows, maybe even make something magical happen between you two. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the magic power of words to connect in a unique and special way. I'll teach you those phrases that spark that good feeling, create a real bond, and bring you two even closer. And the best part, I'll give you simple examples, explain the perfect moments to use them, and show you how to create an atmosphere full of attraction. Ready to learn? If you're already enjoying the content, don't forget to hit the like button. It helps the channel grow and gives me more energy to bring amazing tips to you. And of course, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss a thing. If you have a friend who also needs to step up his game, share this video with him. Let's go on this journey together, learning how to connect better. Let's start. The secret of words to awaken desire. You know that moment when you say something that stirs her emotions, like the words go straight to her heart? Well, choosing the right words has this incredible power to awaken something deep inside. It's not about being vulgar or forced, but about making her feel unique, special, and of course, desired in her own way. It's almost like an art, you know? You need to be sensitive, pay attention to the details, and of course, add a touch of affection to your words. For example, instead of just saying, "You look beautiful," how about saying something like, "Wow, the way you styled your hair today is amazing. It's impossible not to notice you." This phrase does two wonderful things. First, it shows you really noticed her, that you paid attention to the details, and second, it makes it clear that she has an impact on you. It creates an image of her in her own mind, making her feel unique, like you see her in a special way. Another powerful way to awaken desire is by adding a touch of mystery and anticipation. You know those phrases that make someone curious, filled with expectations? They're magical. Like, "I have something really special planned for you tonight, I can't wait to see your reaction." This creates a mysterious vibe, while also making her feel that your time together is super important. The feeling that something unique is about to happen is irresistible, right? Now that you get how powerful words can be, let's break them down into different types, because each one serves a specific purpose. Knowing when and how to use them, my friend, can turn any conversation into an unforgettable connection. Ready to dive deep into this? Let's go. Curiosity and anticipation. You know that mysterious vibe that fills someone with anticipation? That's exactly what curiosity and anticipation phrases can do. When you say something like, "I have an amazing surprise for you later," or "I've been thinking about something that's going to bring us even closer, I'm sure you're going to love it," you're literally planting a seed of curiosity in her mind. And guess what happens? Her mind starts working overtime, imagining what's coming next. The magic here is that when you leave a little mystery in the air, she starts picturing different scenarios, and the best part is that those scenarios are usually positive and exciting. This not only keeps her attention, but also makes her eager to see what you've prepared. It's like inviting her to something unique, just for the two of you, and it strengthens your connection even more. Cool, right? Emotional connection. You know that feeling of truly connecting with someone, showing that you care in a deep way? Well, women really value this type of emotional connection. When you use words that are sincere and show a little vulnerability, you're creating a strong bond, the kind that doesn't break easily. For example, saying something like, "You're the only person who makes me feel this way," or "I never imagined I could feel this connected to someone like I do with you," conveys the sense that she is unique, that she holds a special place in your life. And this isn't just a compliment, it's showing how important she is to you, creating a space of intimacy where you both feel comfortable, like you're on the same team. This kind of conversation helps build something deeper, more genuine, where both of you feel seen, heard, and understood. And that, my friend, is the foundation of a true and lasting relationship. Intimacy and charm. Sometimes, you need to show desire in a more subtle way, but without leaving any doubt about how you feel. And this is where words that talk about her physicality, but in an elegant way, come in, without being vulgar. These phrases have the power to create an atmosphere of attraction, respectful and full of charm. For example, saying something like, "I love how your body fits perfectly with mine," or "There's something about the way you look at me that leaves me speechless." You're creating a vibe of intimacy and desire, but in a super refined way. These words are sensual, yes, but without going overboard. They show that you desire her, but in a way that makes her feel valued, respected, and of course, irresistible. It's that kind of charm that doesn't need to be shouted out loud, but is definitely felt in the air, creating an engaging atmosphere. You know, that kind of attraction that goes beyond the physical, the one that starts with a good conversation and builds a real connection? Well, the true magic begins with words. Creating an engaging atmosphere is all about suggesting intimacy in a gentle way, stirring her senses long before any physical gesture. Imagine saying something like, "I love how your presence lights up the room," like everything around you becomes more vibrant. This kind of phrase not only leaves curiosity in the air, but also creates a super soft and seductive vibe, without having to force anything. When you speak like this, you're building an emotional connection that goes beyond appearance, making her feel closer to you, more connected, even without touching her. These words generate a lovely expectation, which awakens her senses, and when said at the right moment, they can turn any moment into something much more intense and unforgettable. And the best part is, by creating this kind of environment, you make everything feel more special. Now that you've learned how powerful words can be for awakening desire, creating intimacy, and increasing attraction, it's time to put everything into practice. It's not just about memorizing phrases. The key is understanding the impact they have and using them authentically. Words are powerful tools, but when combined with real, genuine actions, they can transform any relationship. So, my friend, what's going to be the first phrase you use today? What word will help create an even stronger connection? Remember, the most important thing is to be genuine, because that's what will make everything feel even more special.